Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Jerome Keys Music. So today I want to teach you guys something very special. I'll be doing a lead line breakdown for you guys today on this song, What a Marvelous God, What a Marvelous God, He has done marvelous things for me. It's a very popular song which they normally sing in church. So I'll be teaching you how to play it and how to solo on it. So you just have to watch. I'll be playing on F sharp, but I'll be calling out the notes. So for those of us that is not playing on F sharp, you can be able to apply it in your own key. So you just have to watch and learn. Let me just play it a little. So I'll show you what I was playing. Yeah. So watch and learn. So guys, what I was playing was very simple. So let me just do the breakdown of what I was playing for you. I started this way, which is so fa mi re do, so fa mi re do, mi fa so fa mi re do la ti. Let me take it slowly. So fa mi re do. So fa mi re do, mi fa so fa mi re do la ti, fa mi re do ti, fa mi re, mi so fa mi re do ti do. That is just the suffer of the song. So fa mi re do, so fa mi re do, mi fa so fa mi re do la ti. Then the things that are impossible, you can just play. So when they are singing the song, there is a way you can be adding a feeling to the song. You know, when they are singing, you can't just be playing. So let me just show you what you can be adding before I do the breakdown for you. So you can be adding something like this. What a marvelous God, what a marvelous God, He has done marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God, what a marvelous. You see, we do marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God, what a marvelous God, He has done marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God, what a marvelous. You see, we do marvelous things for me. So what I was doing was very simple. I was just doing we saw do, we saw do song, we saw do, we saw do song, we saw do, we saw do la, we saw do. So that is what a marvelous God. That is we saw do. You just put your finger like 1, 2, 3. If you are playing on F sharp, just like this. What a marvelous God. That is we saw do so. What a marvelous God. We saw do, mi so do so, mi so do, mi so do so, mi so do la, mi so. Guys, when you get to one marvelous God, you continue on mi so do. One marvelous God, you continue on mi so do. He has done marvelous things for me. Guys, you're a sortie. Once you get to the point, he has done marvelous things for me. That's when you go to your resortie. Hope you are getting it. That is what a marvelous God, Mr. Do. What a marvelous God, he has done marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous. That is what a marvelous. Resota. This is my time. Resota. He has done marvelous things for me. That is, he has done marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God. Let me just be holding the chord so you understand the progression. What a marvelous God you do. What a marvelous God. He has done marvelous things for me. Move. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous. He say we do marvelous things for me. So this is how it goes. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous God. He has done marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous. He still do marvelous things for me. Hallelujah. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous God. He has done marvelous things for me. What a marvelous God. What a marvelous. So when you want to solo the song, let me just show you a solo you can use. You can just play something like this. So you can play. Guys, so for me for the me do so. So for me for the me do so. Me so sorry for do me la do so. Me so. Let me take it slowly. So for me for the me do so. So for me for the me do so. Me so sorry for do me la do so. Let me take it again. So for me for the me do so. So for me for the me do so. Me so sorry for do me la do so so far. Me do la so. Me so for me do it. So you can use something like this again. I'll also use something like this. Guys, so don't so la so for me. Even so for me they do. Guys, do so si guys, do so si fa la mi do la ti do ti so fa re. Guys, do so. Just hold your door and tap your soul. This one is Ve mi re yo your fa and your re. So friends, thanks for watching. I'm going to do another breakdown for you. So you just have to list the song you want me to do the breakdown on. Please make sure you like this video, share, and also comment. God bless you all.